If you've been relying heavily on artificial intelligence to get done of every simple task that comes your way, there's high tendency that you are sitting on a time bomb. No, not that one, but this one right here. As you can see, it's still ticking. So to avoid that, I've actually put together this video to expose to you the danger of relying too heavily on artificial intelligence. But before we get into all that, I would like if you can just give this video a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. You can do better by smashing that subscription button. This will encourage me to make more of that video. Without wasting much of our time, come on, let's dive in. Now I can clearly read your mind. You are like, but ChatGPT is so cool and advanced, it can do everything from writing to answering lots of questions. Can you just relax, my friend? I completely agree with whatever you are saying. As a matter of fact, it is amazing to see what technology can do these days. But just because it is advanced doesn't mean it's dependable. In a nutshell, AI is as unpredictable as we humans. For instance, have you heard of the term bias? Bias is more like when your mom always pick your brother over you to do the house chores, whereas you are standing there playing video games. Well, the same thing can happen to your AI, because AI is trained based on the information that are gathered from the internet, and as we all know, the internet is filled with biases and stereotypes. So if AI is trained based on this biased data, you can imagine how it can perpetuate it into its own decision making, and by the end of the day, you notice that your AI app is now discriminating against you based on your race, your gender, and even the kind of music you listen to. Another issue is the lack of transparency. AI systems can be incredibly complex to the extent that it will be very difficult to understand how a decision is made. This can lead to lack of trust, making it difficult to hold the AI accountable for its actions. Imagine trying to argue with a robot. Well, good luck with that. And just like I said earlier, the AI is only as good as the data that is being trained upon. Imagine if the data is incomplete or inaccurate, the AI will definitely be affected. So if your AI is trained to always write article about Western culture, don't expect it to write culture about Afonja people of Ilorin, Kwara State in Nigeria, West African. AI can only make decisions based on the information that is trained upon, unlike a human being that can make multiple contexts through a single information. AI cannot do that. They don't have the ability to make multiple contexts and make their own decision. They only work based on the little information that are programmed inside them. So if you ask your AI to paint you a portrait of an African kingdom, and all you can see is a portrait of a primitive kingdom that in a normal sense doesn't exist, don't blame your AI for not giving you a Wakanda style kind of African kingdom. Artificial intelligence has a lot of potential, but it's also important for you to know that it is not perfect. So as a result of that, it should be used with caution. We need to be actively aware of its biases and limitations. As a result of that, we will not be able to be relying too heavily on it, because once we start relying too heavily on it, we will be making wrong decisions and we'll start seeing things from wrong perspectives. Is there any other downside of artificial intelligence that you know that I didn't mention in this video, or you have any question concerning this topic? I would appreciate if you can drop it right in the comment section below. Sharing this video will help a lot of people out there, so many people will definitely thank you for sharing it. So just click on that share button and share it on your social media handle. If you are a content creator and you are thinking about a way to maximize your productivity, well, the video that just appeared next to me now will definitely help out. Make sure you click on it and watch it out.